Hi guys, welcome back to Lorena Kichik's channel. I'm excited. Today we're having my favorite breakfast. Okay, so we're gonna start with avocado oil. I usually put a little, like 2 little sprinkles. I guess that was a little too much, but you know, that's avocado oil. Then I'm gonna get my soy chorizo. This is my favorite ingredient. I love it. It's from Trader Joe's. I use the whole package, so you can cook the whole package and just put it in the fridge. I usually cook everything and then use it throughout the week. Make sure, you use it within 3 days. So you want to cut the package, put the chorizo and the onions together. So I have 1 onion and the soy chorizo package. And then when I put it all together, it looks like this. So it looks like this, and then you want to put it in the frying pan that's already cooking. And soy chorizo, it cooks pretty quickly, more than a regular pork. So soy chorizo, just make sure you have it on high and you stir it. The next ingredient I use is organic spinach. Okay, so I put like maybe 2 handfuls, or maybe, 2 handfuls of baby green spinach, organic. Of course, I get it at Costco. It's great because then I know that I'm getting my, my greens in the morning. I make sure. The next ingredient is 3 eggs. I put 2 whole eggs and then 1 of just egg whites. But you could do, whatever. You could do all egg whites or the 3 whole eggs. So you want to keep stirring the spinach. Now that you kept stirring it, before the green leaves turn like soggy, you want to get the eggs in the mixture. Now that you have it all cooked, it's the first egg. You want to crack it over, and the second one. So as you can see, I'm just doing it right over the pan, and then this one I tried to only do the egg whites. I miss. Oh my god. Yeah, don't do that. But it's okay. I mix it. I like my eggs scrambled, so you just scramble it around. I try to make sure everything is nicely cooked and even. It's looking good, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying. Hope you try this recipe. And as you can see, I haven't even put any salt or any pepper, but you're more than welcome to add those ingredients. I try not to cook too much with salt, because the soy chorizo already has a lot of salt. So with that salt that the soy chorizo has, you don't need to add any more for my taste. But you can always, and now I'm cleaning the side. Yeah, it gets pretty messy. And so that's my opinion. And the next step okay, so we're done with that. We're gonna put it on the side, and now I'm going to show you the tortilla that I use. And it's not tortilla, it is cheese. And I got it at Costco. It's great because if you don't want to have tortillas, this is a great keto-friendly option. And you can freeze them. I had them frozen for a while until I used them. Well, not for a while, but until I used them. And it comes like that. Look, it looks just like a flour tortilla. And it's just cheese. It's really good. 13 grams of protein, guys. And you want to make sure you get just enough in the middle to make your little breakfast burrito. And you roll it up to the side. You want to, this part, you want to make sure it gets like evenly distributed, because then when you roll it up, you can make a mess. I've done it before, or and you just roll it up kind of like a burrito. And there you go, guys. There it is, breakfast. Delicioso. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll be seeing. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. That's it, my breakfast. I can't wait to see you next time. Please subscribe.